Is-sitwazzjoni fil-PBS hija vera inkwetanti u ta' dwejja. Dikjarazzjoni li saret mill-preżentatur popolari Ben Kamil li ta' fadal fuq dak li għaddej bħalissa fl-istazzjon nazzjonali.
I've got to a point where I'm really itching right now, and I feel that the situation is very worrying at the moment. It's very sad. I mean, just recently I read an article with Mark Lawrence Zammit, who's another great TV presenter, who's another Mr. TV if you want. I have never spoken about this publicly, and I wasn't planning to be honest, but it hurt me with what he said. It worried me more than hurt me.
F'podcast mal-preżentatriċi Trudy Kerr, Ben Kamil tkellem fuq dak li kiteb Mark Lawrence Zammit li kien qed ikollu ntħil min-naħa tat-tmexxija tal-PBS fuq il-kontenut tal-programm li kien jippreżenta. Huwa qal li wieħed mill-pilastri tad-demokrazija huwa l-ġurnaliżmu u l-midja. Iżda jidher li ma tantx qed issir ħidma biex ix-xogħol tal-ġurnalisti jkun imħares.
The fact of the matter is that we talk about a democratic country and we talk about our pillars, right? So we have the police, the courts, and the media. And things are being done, it seems, to address the first two, right? So we have a new police commissioner who seems to be doing a good job, who seems to be very respected. Courts seem to be doing a good job now as well, from what I can see. But we don't really seem to be addressing the problem with media. And to me, obviously, because it's my industry, it seems like one of the most important, along with the courts and the police, because it's the way people receive information. And not much, I feel, has been done there.
Ben Kamil tkellem ukoll dwar il-fatt li ħafna persuni li jaħdmu l-PBS huma appuntati politikament.
The people inside PBS are politically chosen people, you know, and when you have that type of position, it's a lot of responsibility. It's a lot of responsibility. But if you're chosen by someone, you are without a doubt some way obliged to these people.
Huwa saħaq li l-pubbliku għandu dritt li jkollu kwalità tajba fil-produzzjonijiet tal-PBS.
The quality that the public station should be offering is not what it is.
Marija Franca Lanza, Annet News.